Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I am bringing you a very special and nostalgic yet futuristic review of the Nokia N96, reinvented for 2026. If you remember the original Nokia N96 from the late 2000s, it was one of the most iconic multimedia phones ever created. But now, Nokia has taken that legacy and completely transformed it into a modern masterpiece, blending classic design elements with the latest 2026 smartphone technology. Let's dive deep into what makes the Nokia N96 such a unique and attractive device for tech lovers, smartphone enthusiasts, and especially for those who appreciate a mix of tradition and innovation. The first thing that grabs attention is the design. Nokia has stayed true to its roots by keeping the iconic dual slide mechanism alive, but this time it's smoother, stronger, and infused with a futuristic touch. The body is made of aerospace-grade aluminum with a glossy ceramic finish, and it feels both premium and durable in hand. The sliding mechanism is more refined than ever, giving you that nostalgic click but with the elegance of modern engineering. On the front, you get a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED Ultra-Vision display with 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and peak brightness of 2000 nits. Watching videos, gaming, or simply scrolling through your apps feels buttery smooth, crisp, and immersive. Performance-wise, the Nokia N96 2026 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This means blazing fast multitasking, lag-free gaming, and smooth performance even with the most demanding apps. The phone also features advanced liquid cooling technology, ensuring it never overheats during extended gaming sessions or heavy usage. Nokia has also integrated a custom AI performance booster, optimizing the device based on your usage patterns for maximum efficiency. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, because Nokia has always been known for pushing boundaries in mobile photography. The new N96 comes with a quad camera system co-engineered with Zeiss optics. The primary sensor is a massive 200-megapixels OIS lens, accompanied by a 64-megapixels ultra-wide, a 50-megapixels telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixels macro lens. The result is simply breathtaking: ultra-detailed photos, crystal-clear low-light shots, and cinematic-quality videos up to 12K resolution. The front camera is a 48-megapixels under-display sensor that maintains a bezel-less look while still delivering sharp selfies and excellent video call quality. Battery life is another area where the Nokia N96 shines. Equipped with a 6000 mAh graphene-based battery, it supports 200W wired fast charging and 100W wireless charging, allowing you to go from 0 to 100% in under 15 minutes. With AI-powered battery management, this phone can easily last 2 full days of moderate to heavy use. Nokia also guarantees over 1600 charging cycles with minimal degradation, which means long-term durability for power users. On the software side, the N96 runs on Nokia's PureOS 14 based on Android 16, offering a clean, bloat-free, and highly customizable experience. You also get 7 years of guaranteed updates, which is a huge plus for anyone who values longevity. Nokia has added some exclusive multimedia features, including Dolby Atmos sound with quad stereo speakers and enhanced haptic feedback that elevates gaming and media consumption. Another highlight is connectivity. The Nokia N96 is fully future-ready with 6G support, Wi-Fi 8, Bluetooth 6.2, and satellite calling capability, making it a reliable companion whether you're in the city or exploring remote areas. For gamers, there's also a dedicated game mode that unlocks maximum GPU and CPU performance, while keeping latency ultra-low for competitive play. Overall, the Nokia N96 in 2026 is more than just a smartphone, it's a celebration of Nokia's heritage and a bold step into the future. It combines nostalgia with power, elegance with performance, and simplicity with cutting-edge technology. If you are a longtime Nokia fan, this phone will feel like a dream come true. If you are new to the brand, the N96 will show you why Nokia once ruled the mobile industry and why it is making a strong comeback in 2026. So, if you are looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, offers incredible performance, excellent cameras, a huge battery, and a design that sparks conversation, the Nokia N96 2026 is the one to watch. It's not just a smartphone, It's an experience, a piece of history reborn, and a flagship that truly lives up to the hype.